Double Diamond manager, Catherine Byrie.
Woo! Hello everybody, I'm very happy to get the chance to talk to you. And John and Jane asked me to give some advice or tips how to build up a very dynamic network marketing team. I started on the 4th of July 1999, and I wish somebody could give me some notes that time. And that's why I found it always so important to pick up the ideas and building up a friendship network between the leaders in Europe and just to get some input how to do it in the right way. So learn from the people who know, who are already successful. What I found very interesting is if the first presentation is professional, is made by someone who does it professional, like on a business opportunity meeting, conference call, or any other one-to-one or online presentation, then it leaves a very good first impression. Demonstration, show 100% copying, this we call duplication, and don't reinvent the wheel. Not trying something out this week, this month, next month. Don't reinvent the wheel, just keep on following the system 100% and the result will be 100%. Persistence and totally conviction together are unbeatable. So the communication of inner strength makes the difference in your common acceptance, your success as a leader, and your income. So the no is then not a personal rejection anymore, which has to do with a lot of trusting in the new person and giving him support in his personal development. Another tip could be the follow-up in 3 months. So if the first people said no or later, to give him a system how to follow up, in which time and what to say in his follow-up list. And also this kind of follow-up system has to be 100% duplicatable. Find out your own statistics and write down everything what happened by month, by day, by week, by year, by 5 years, and you will have your own statistic. Talk to enough people. This is the preparation for the new distributor to get to handle the rejection. So within 1 week, for example, if somebody just sponsor 1,000 contacts, he will have a huge, a superior rejection. But if he's sponsor and we do this together 90 days, some dozen contacts, so more than 3 times 12, 36 contacts, the rejection will not be a problem anymore because there will be more yes than no. And never say this one is good, this one is no good. The principle of equality, never prejudge somebody. So the goal should be to have a profitable downline organization, 80% spending and 80% of the time to recruit, to sponsor new people. So this should be always the main point. And I see myself not just as the sponsor, I see myself as a coach and leader. So I have many professions in one, and I try to be in every direction the best I can be for him, especially in the first 90 days. The growth in the network marketing business has always something to do with our own personal growth. In the first row, about my personal growth. If I grow personal, if I have higher goals, if I see a brighter future, my team will do the same. And I will reach higher goals and higher results. Believe in your success before you supply the proof. So when I started on 4th of July 1999 with this special date, which was my financial freedom and independency date, I said to myself, if I lead by example, my team can just follow up a very interesting way how to be financial free after 5 years. So I kept on sponsoring First Line after I was Diamond, not because I had to, because I wanted to keep on leading by example. If you know before where you want to go, if you can imagine, have a big vision that you will be there, that will happen, even you don't have the proof yet. And this is a very big thing for personal development, for many people who want to grow and wondering why they don't. They don't believe in this moment in themselves that they can do it. So you have to visualize where you want to be in 1, 2, 3, or 5 years. I believe in quickly building up wide a lot of first lines, because for sure the cream will rise to the top, and not stop sponsoring first line until somebody is at least 10,000 euro by month. And I just see that people stop too early sponsoring first lines, and they don't have this amount by month. They can go back on track and do this, what was our first points today, and they will see that how quick they will grow into the 10,000 euro per month. Just go back, do 100 contacts by week and sponsoring new first lines. So there is no success if you just sponsor 2 to 3 people by month. It should be at least 10. So you have a range of people who want to be consumers, range of people who want to be part-timers, want to earn some 100 euro, and this one person who want to go manager. 1 out of 10. This was my statistic, and it still works with every manager which came up. Another principle of grow is that you never have to worry about the debt if you just go enough wide. So I don't believe in doing 2 things at the same time, but if you do enough wide, you will find your leaders in the deeper lines. So what allows you in the profit share is something very amazing, additional, what we will see today. You can now, later, work with leaders who are out of your pay line even, but they're part of your profit share. So thanks to Rex that he gave us this possibility to look in our very deep lines later, after we did the job with the first lines, and to support with the profit share also other leaders in deeper generations, which happened to me last year. I believe that the balance in the organization are users, retailers, and business builders, and the most of them will be users. Some of them will be retailers, and just 10 to 12% will be the people who build the business, but they will have the other distributors and users in their teams. So we're talking about a few number who will do 80% of the turnover, but to find them, we have to go through all of them. That's why we have to work the big numbers in first line. Where I come from in the former East Germany, we had this 40 years plan. So it was part of the communist economic system. We called this the 40 years plan. But now I see people after this period still having a 40 years plan to the pension. So they're waiting their whole life, 40 years, to get a little pension. In Forever Building Business, you can have your 40 years plan changed into a 4 years plan and be diamond or even double diamond in this short period of time, 4 years instead of 40, if you do the right and follow the right principles and ethics to build up this wonderful business with the best company we could find all over the world. It's unbelievable what is possible if you do your job proper and you just don't look left, don't look right. Support your people for the first 90 days. Give them the right system. They follow up 100%. And never stop sharing ideas with the biggest leaders in this company, which you just saw all in this morning, which was a very, very big present to us that we could listen to all of them. So thanks again to all the audience that you listened to me. And to all my Forever Living leaders and friends, I love you all. Thank you very much.